Welcome viewers, I remain tutor Cletus Okoli. In this class, we want to evaluate log 4 base 2 plus log 2 base 4 minus log 5 base 25. If you look at this question, the first port of call is to look at the bases. You will notice with me that the bases are not the same. Here is base 2, base 4, and base 25. Therefore, we are not going to apply the laws of logarithm that concerns addition and subtraction. We are going to solve them individually since their bases are not the same. Now, having noted that, the next thing is, since I have base 2 here and the number I have here is 4, I want to make this place to be 2 so that I can have something like 2 base 2. The same way, I want this place to be 4 so that I can have log 4 base 4. I also want this place to be 25 so that I can have log 25 base 25. Why do I want it like that? Because of the law of logarithms. Solution. Because of the law of logarithm that says that log a base a is equal to 1. That is, the logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So if I'm able to make it logarithm to its own base in all of them, I can easily solve it. But to note, since this place is 4, how do I make it to be 2? 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2. So I can replace this place 4 with the 2 raised to the power 2. Also, here I have 2 and I want it to be 4 so that it will be in the same base with the 4. So how do I write this 2 in another way to be 4? Therefore, 2 is the same thing as the square root of 4. What that means is that I can replace this 2 with the square root of 4. Since square root of 4 is the same thing as 2. In other words, I have not changed this 2, but I have achieved my target, which is making this place to come with the 4. Also, here is 5, and I want to get 25 here to be in the same base. 5 can also be written as square root of 25. So if I replace this 5 with the square root of 25, it is still 5, because square root of 25 is 5. But then I have achieved having 25 as log square root of 25. So that 25 will now be here for me. But also, you can see, square root of 4 can also be written as 4 raised to the power 1 over 2. And the square root of 25 can also be written as 25 raised to the power 1 over 2. I am now going to replace this place with the 2 raised to the power 2. I will replace this 2 with the 4 raised to the power half. And I will replace this 5 with the 25 raised to the power half. 25 raised to the power half is the same thing as 25. Sorry, 25 raised to the power half is the same thing as 5. And also 4 raised to the power half is the same thing as 2. Now, applying all these things that I have explained, I will now have this question written as the log of 2 raised to the power 2 base 2 plus the log of 2 now base 4, and that 2 now replaced with the 4 raised to the power half base 4 minus the log 5 to base 25. That 5 will now be written as 25 raised to the power half, then base 25. Remember what I said? I want this place to be 2. It is 4, but it is now 2. I want this 2 to be 4. I have achieved that. And I want this 5 to be 25. That is now achieved. Applying the law of logarithm that says that the log of x raised to the power n is equal to n the log of x. That is what I will apply here. So this place will now be written as 2 log 2 base 2 plus half log 4 base 4 minus half log 25 base 25. Note what I said here, that the log of a base a is 1. Logarithm of a number to its own base. That is why I tried making all of them to be in the same base. What that means now is that I will now have log 2 base 2 as 1. So this place will now be written as 2 multiplied by 1 plus half log 4 base 4, which is half multiplied by 1, minus half multiplied by 1, because log 25 base 25 is 1. Mass is life. So we have 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, half multiplied by 1 is half, minus half multiplied by 1 is half. You can see plus half minus half will give us 0, implying that the final answer is 2. So in conclusion, the log of 4 base 2 plus the log of 2 base 4 minus the log of 5 base 25 is equal to 2. Thank you dear friends for watching to the end. Remember to subscribe. Bye.